Welcome to my channel. Hope you all are having an amazing day. It's Saurav Ghosh and today I have come up with something which is not related to commercial mathematics and statistics. Today I have come up with a topic which is related to accountancy of high secondary second year of class 12 for both CBSE as well as state boards. The topic is not for profit organization. So before directly going with the topic, first of all, means today we will solve, the motive of this video is to solve sums, but before solving sums, many people, I assume that you don't have any idea of not-for-profit organizations. Actually, what are not-for-profit organizations? So before doing sums, I will try my level best to give you a brief idea on the topic. That is, means what is this not-for-profit organizations and what types of accounts they usually prepare. So first of all, those who already have the knowledge, you can skip the video directly to the solving of sums, and those who don't have any knowledge, you watch this part in order to gain some knowledge. So see, organizations. I hope it is visible. Yeah, it's quite visible. So organizations are basically of two types. Number A, trading organizations. Non-trading organizations. I have used short form. So these are the two types of organization. So what is trading organization and what is non-trading organization? Trading organizations are those organizations which are engaged in manufacturing, buying and selling of goods and services with the object of earning profit. You can give here some examples also. Example: SBI, State Bank of India, Reliance Industries Limited, These are the examples. And what are non-trading organizations? Actually, non-trading organizations are those organizations which are formed for rendering services to the members or to the society or to their clients. You see, means they don't provide any form of goods. Actually, they provide services to the members or to the society or to their specified clients. So you see, again, non-trading organizations are again subdivided into two types. Number A, profit seeking organization. Number B, NPO, not for profit organizations. So profit seeking organizations are those organizations which are formed for rendering services to its members, to its client or to the society as a whole, but with profit motive. You see, I give you some example. You see, profit seeking organizations are those organizations, the definition is already given. You see, the P for profit, P for private nursing homes, private colleges, chartered accountants. Actually, you see, they give service, they don't give you any goods, they give service but to their clients only. Chartered accountants give services to its clients. Yeah, definition, yeah, it's all right, but with the motive of earning profit. And NPO, not for profit organization. Not for profit organizations are same, just like profit seeking organizations. Providing services, it is its main activity, but on a no profit no loss basis. It means means what to say, not for profit organizations are those organizations which are established not for earning profit. The motive is not to earn profit of not for profit organization. The term is clear, not for profit but non-profit, or so, but for providing services to its members or to the society, are called not for profit organizations. For example, charitable hospitals, government educational institutions, religious trusts like, you say, ISKCON, International Society of Krishna Consciousness. These are basically non-trading organization, means not-for-profit organizations, and these not-for-profit organizations come under the heading of non-trading organization. So you have to, this is the basic thing, means it's a basic idea what is this not-for-profit organization. So you now, we means they have to prepare certain books of accounts of the not-for-profit organization, like they, like for the not-for-profit organizations we have to prepare receipts and payments account, income and expenditure account, balance sheet. So you see, means these are separate format because these are not for profit organizations. So first of all, we will start with the basic, that is receipts and payments account. So first of all, you understand what is this receipts and payments account all about. Receipts and payments account is merely a summary of cash book, because receipts are shown on the left hand side and payments are shown on the right hand side. If you can remember the concept of cash books, receipts and payments account will be not so difficult for you. Items of revenue and capital included. So you see, items are basically of two types, capital and revenue. You see, generally when the amount is very much high, it is considered as capital item, which means the utility of which is derived in the long run. So that is called capital receipts. And revenue receipts means the amounts which are, means generally of means on a regular basis, you see, like subscription, donation, these are the things. So receipts and payments relating to any period. So why I am telling you these things, because in the sums we need these things while solving the sums. Receipts and payments relating to any period. So you see, whether you have received means this year, past year or future, it will be shown in this account, receipts and payments account. Avoidance of outstanding amount is very important. You see, when a receipts and payments account is made, any outstanding item, means outstanding means what to say, liability, any outstanding item, depreciation or appreciation. Depreciation means decrease in the value of a fixed asset, and appreciation means increase in the value of a fixed asset. So these types of items are not included. Cash trial, receipts and payments account is not a trial balance but merely a cash trial. So first of all, what you have to find from receipts and payments account, you will be given the bank balance and cash balance of cash. So in the end, you have to find, in the beginning of the year it will be given, and you have to find something which is related to the end of the year, that is you have to find out balance of cash or balance of cash at bank, anyone you have to find out, anyone though. So it will be mentioned, don't worry. So you see, now we will move on to the sums part. I hope you have got a brief idea. I tried my level best to give you the idea of this not-for-profit organizations by giving a table. This is a table which I prepared from my point of view. So let's see. So Assam Cricket Club had a cash and bank balance of rupees 6,200 and 10,500. This is the balance of cash in hand and cash at bank. Now, respectively, the word respectively is very important so that you can means understand. Cash amount is 6,200 and bank is 10,500. So this is the question on 1st April 2009. From the following information, prepare receipts and payments account. For the year ended 31st March 2010. So this is the question. You have to prepare receipts and payments account. So now we will move on to the particulars, that is the things, means items which are given in the question. So you see, something you have to remember that means they will not always ask you to find out bank balance or balance of cash in hand. So you have to first of all read the question properly in order to get the idea. That means you have to, from the two you have, from the you will be given two options and you will be getting one situation. So you see, first of all you see in the question that the balance of cash in hand or balance of cash at bank at the end of the year is given or not. Any one will be definitely given for class 12. Not, I am not talking about CA foundation course, this is for class 12 only. So let's see, entrance fees received 4,000. You see, when in the question it can be given as entrance fees rupees 4,000, but according to conservatism principle there it states that recognize all losses, anticipate no gain. When there is nothing is mentioned, you have to take it as loss. But you see from the club point of view, from the point of view of Assam Cricket Club, you see clubs receive entrance fees, they don't pay entrance fees. That's the basic logic. So in many of the situation you may not find the word received, so you have to understand for yourself that this is received, this is a receipt item, not a payment item. Salaries paid rupees 7,600, again same. Salaries, clubs don't receive salary, clubs pay salary. Donations, now you may have confusion with the word donation. Donation is a donations are a common receipt for the not-for-profit organization. Actually, members and non-members who are well-wishers of the organization pay some sort of donation to the club or organization so that it can carry on its activities. Subscription received. Now many of you are familiar with the word subscription. The persons who are watching the video also have the option to subscribe. I request you to subscribe the channel if you have got some idea, if the video is helping you. So subscription, here subscription is free for everyone. No need to pay me anything to in order to subscribe my channel. So it's free, you can easily subscribe. But when you subscribe to a not-for-profit organization, you have to pay a certain amount. It can be on monthly basis, quarterly basis, yearly basis, half-yearly basis. The basis can be anything, but you have to pay a certain sum of amount at a regular interval. This is known as subscription. Yeah, if you want you can cancel the subscription, that's not a big deal. For 2008, 2009, rupees 2,100. For 2009, 2010, 24,500. You see, this is the current year. They have in the current year only means the large amount can be seen. For 2010, 2011, it is 3,000. So now next item. Actually the question here is very big, so while doing the questions I try to introduce you to some new words like donation, subscription. Some of you basically have idea, but I think many of you don't have, so I try my level best to introduce you to the new words. Outstanding subscription. You see, the word outstanding reflects that it is a liability. Means no means this is not liability. Means from the point of view of the club, word outstanding means always people think it's liability, but here you see it is an asset. They are going to receive 4,200. But the main thing which I clearly want to tell you now, no need to involve yourself in asset and liabilities for the present situation. You, in the beginning of the video only, I told to the viewers that outstanding, avoidance of outstanding item. While you prepare receipts and payments account, you have to remember one thing: you have to avoid the outstanding items. That's the basic thing. So, and this is neither an income nor an expenditure. You see, sports materials consumed. Sports materials consumed is, oh no, oh sorry, it's my mistake, it's purchased. Sports materials purchased 18,000. Now, sundry expense 1,500. Life membership fees 10,000. Life membership fees is a fees which is paid by a life member. Life members pay life membership fees to the not-for-profit organization once during their lifetime. You have often heard about this, about the name. Many of you are familiar. Life membership fees. This is paid only once during the lifetime. Annual sports expense. Annual sports expense 9,600. Repairs 1,000. Book purchased for library 10,000. Donation for building. Donation for building is a capital receipt. But here capital items of capital and revenue both are included. You just see whether it is a receipt or payment from the point of view of the club. Donations for building 15,000. Honorarium HONORARIUM. Honorarium 6,000. You see, I'm introducing to you a new word, honorarium. When a not-for-profit organization hires a person and while hiring a person, you have to pay something to the person in return of the service that he provided to the not-for-profit organization. The service, the amount which the person is getting in for his service to the not-for-profit organization is known as honorarium. It cannot be termed as salary because this is not salary. This is in recognize of his service. He is getting a certain lump sum amount by the not-for-profit organization, and he is not a common member that he will be hired on a regular basis. So that amount is known as honorarium. So honorarium. Municipal tax paid 7,000. Depreciation on furniture. You see, depreciation, appreciation as well as outstanding items are not included. These are just given in order to confuse you. Depreciation on furniture 2,000. And the final most important thing, cash in hand as on 31/3/2010 4,200. Now you see here you have to balance of cash in hand is given, so you have to find out bank balance. So now let's start solving. The question is fully completed. Now see the specific format for how to present. Assam Cricket Club receipts and payments account. For the year ended 31/3/2010. Write receipts on the left hand side, amount, payments, amount. Now you see in the question balance is given, opening balance. So write to balance BD, cash, bank, both are given. 6,200, 10,500. So this is which will be not mentioned here, but sometimes it is mentioned in the this section also, information section. Sometimes it is in the starting only, first line, second line. So now check each and every item. That is the technique. Entrance fees received means this is a income. So 2 entrance fees. No need to write the word received, because receipt side means you have received only. No. Now salaries paid, it is an expense by salaries. 7,600. Donations means receipts. 2 donations, 5,000. Subscription received means income. 2 subscription, for 2000 for 2008 2009, 2,100. For 2009 2010, 24,500. For 2010 2011, 3,000. Sum it up and give the total here. 29,600. Now next item, 3 are completed. Subscription outstanding, outstanding items are not included, cut it. Sports materials purchased, purchased means what? Purchased means payment, payment means expense. So you write buy sports materials. 18,000. Yeah, it's visible. I have to sometimes go and check that whether what I am trying to teach you is covered in the camera or not. So buy sports material, 18,000. Sundry expense means sundry, it's payment. By sundry expense, 1,500. Life membership fees, this is a receipt to life membership fees. 10,000. Annual sports expense, this is payment by annual sports expense, 9,600. Repairs, this is also expense by repairs. The amount of repairs is 1,000. Books purchased for library, by books purchased for library, 10,000. Donation for building, this is a capital receipt, as I have told you while writing the question, but capitals of items of capital and revenue all are included. So 2 donations for building, 15,000. Actually what I wanted to do, in order to if I flip the page, the everything will be disturbed as I don't have blackboard. So actually I wanted to complete the sum in this page, so that it means it will be easy for me also as well as for you also, because some might face problem if I move on to the next page, but I don't think that this page will be enough to cover the sum. Let's see. Donation for building. Just give a tick mark so that you can remember that this item is already included. Honorarium. Honorarium means expense, means payment. By honorarium, HONORARIUM, 6,000. Municipal tax, payment by municipal tax, 7,000. You cut this item, depreciation on furniture, because this item is not at all included. So now you have to write the balance BD by balance CD, that is given in the question. This is the closing balance. Balance of cash in hand is given 4,200. Now, why are you doing this sum? The question arises. The question is, why are you doing this sum? You are doing this sum in order to ascertain the bank balance. So, can't do anything. I have to flip the page and adjust the camera. Yeah, I am fortunate enough that I am able to adjust the camera. Now, you write here bank in the payment side. Right here, write in the bracket balancing figure, because you are just doing it in order to balance so that the total amount is not disturbed. So now you see, you have to do something. You have to see in which side there is more amount, in the receipt side or in the payment side. The sum which we are doing now, in this sum, in the receipt side the amount is more. If you sum it up, you will get 80,300, and you now sum the items of the payment side, you will get a number which is less than 80,300. So you subtract the number from 80,300, and the balance is the answer. Balance is the answer, means bank balance, that is the answer, 50,400. You should get the total same, 80,300. This is the concept. This is the basic for doing the sum. Actually, I know. Actually, many people do with 3 to 4 items, but I have covered the items in such a way that new items can be introduced to the people, as well as old items can be recognized. So this is actually my way of teaching. Whatever I understand, I teach it in my own way. So I hope everyone enjoyed the video, everyone understood the concepts. So I request you to subscribe to my channel, give a thumbs up to the video, share it among your friends, and the Instagram link is given in the description below. You can go and follow me on Instagram. You ask me anything related to commerce of high secondary first year and second year, I will try my level best to solve the doubts in the best possible way. So let's hope for the best. Thanks for watching this video.